Alright, I'm going to go over how to install the demo content. So as you noticed when you first install the theme, it's missing any content because you're supposed to add in your own. But don't worry, we have demo content for you. So let's go ahead and jump right in. We'll go under Tools and Import, and we're importing WordPress. So go ahead and click on WordPress and install, and then activate and run. And of course, if you accidentally click off of this, you can always just go back in Tools and Import, and then the importer will show up right here. So we're going to browse for our files, and in your download, look under Additional Files and Live Preview Files, and there's only one file in there, so it should be pretty easy to find that one. So let's go and upload, and it's basically just going to ask you a question. You can just read this and decide. It's basically saying what account do you want these author to be posted from. The important thing is import attachments. Make sure you select this one so you get the filler images. So we'll submit, and it really depends on your server how fast or slow this is going to be. It should only be a couple minutes though. I think there's maybe 10 or so images, 12 images that are being pulled in. Once you're done, it will say all done, have fun, but there are a couple additional steps. So if we go to your home page, it won't look very much different. You'll just have some more blog posts. So let's go ahead and set the last few things up. Under Settings and Reading, you'll want to change front page displays to a static page. For front page, select Home Page, and for post page, select Latest News. So that's just your home page in your blog. Click Save Changes. Then the next thing we need to do is under Appearance and Menus. We'll go under, you'll see the menus have already been created for you. You'll just need to set them under Manage Locations. So primary is main navigation and footer is footer navigation. Pretty simple on that one. Now when we go to view the site, you'll see, let me go back one second. Okay, now when you view your site, you'll have your navigation, and it didn't import the sub menu, so we can just go ahead and create that sub menu real quick. All the pages are there, it just didn't create the sub menu. So under Rooms, I put all of these as a sub menu. You just simple indent. So let's go and save that. Now you're looking good. So you have your navigation, all your pages set up, and the demo content has been imported. And you'll have some rooms set up for you. And there are sample images. If you ever want to grab any of the images from the live preview, just jump onto our support forum and we'll point you to the stock photo sites. ThemeForce doesn't allow us to use images that are from stock file sites, so we have to use these sample images. But you should be up and running pretty smoothly. One thing you'll notice is in the slider area, you won't have that, that search. Don't worry. Go ahead and check out the documentation either under Booking or under Theme and Plugin Installation, and we cover it right here. Let me see, importing content. If you scroll down, you'll get to homepage slider search widget. So I'm just going to show you how to do that real quick. You just go under Appearance Widgets and look for the slider search widget, and it tells you which widget to pull in, e-reservations widget. And you can just copy and paste the code right here into the widget form. Go ahead and click Save, and you can view it as the form. Sorry about that. It pulled in the calendar. Make sure you just deselect Show Calendar and refresh, and you've got your form. And then the last step for that, of course, you can adjust the text, is to put in the URL to your reservation form. And that'll be covered under the booking form if you're unsure about how to set that up. All that is what page is your reservation form on. You just type that in.